What's up and welcome to Banshee Boat. Today's episode is all about hydrofoils and I'm going to give you 5 reasons that everybody with an outboard or an inboard outboard needs to have a hydrofoil.
Woo! Banshee boating, baby!
Close. Banshee Boat for everything boating.
These maneuvers could be dangerous if not operating the boat properly. Do so at your own risk. Make sure to always have boating safety equipment, pleasurecraft license on board, and always wear your PFD. Be conscious of those around you. Respect the shared waterway. Remember, never drink alcohol on boat. Always play safe on the water.
So what's up? How's everyone going? Hopefully everyone's doing great and you guys are doing a lot of boating. Number one, hydrofoils increase stabilization. This is a no-brainer. Hydrofoils, when you're cruising with your outboard engine, and we have a 90. I'm just doing these reasons because of the testing that I've done and how I honestly feel. Like, I think hydrofoils are a great thing to have. I think they increase, number one, increases the stabilization so much so when you're cruising choppy water, smooth water, when you're turning really hard and you're just ripping. The stabilization with a hydrofoil is increased so much, it's crazy. You just trim up a little bit and it's unbelievable. We tried it without a hydrofoil and then we tried it after with a hydrofoil, bolted it on, and after was so much more stable and we enjoy driving it so much better with the hydrofoil. Reason number 2 that everybody with an outboard needs a hydrofoil is that it gets your boat on plane easier. When you're cruising, you know, the boat comes up, but then it comes right back down, right on plane so quickly. It's so simple. When you're actually cruising with the hydrofoil, you're not only getting on plane easier and quicker, you're actually getting on better plane because the hydrofoil lifts up your boat a little more, even if it's just that 2% more hydrodynamic lift, and 2% more of your boat is 2% less of your boat is touching the water. That's perfect because there's less drag with the water, and you know, who doesn't want that? It's a no-brainer. Less boat touching, faster you're gonna go, and just the better it's gonna be. And that's number 3, more lift in general. We're gonna get the boat up more, which is great. So that's number 3. That's the 3rd reason. The 4th reason, this one's a big one. I used my common sense when I thought about this one and said, you know what? It's the exact same shape of a whale's fin. So if you look at a whale, that whale is designed, or a whale is, you know, through evolution or however a whale was, it became to be a whale. However that happened, the whale's tail is shaped like a hydrofoil. And so to me, that is just a simple reason, above all, that a hydrofoil is a perfect bolt-on performance upgrade for your boat. Just perfect. You know what? I just can't stress it enough. Yeah, so same shape as a whale. Go pick one up. Their link is down here, right there. Check out the link, Amazon link, Stingray Senior, Junior. Get on that link down there. Check out lots of different hydrofoils. The link's right there. Check out any of those hydrofoils. One that fits your boat. Bigger boats might need a bigger one. Smaller boats need a smaller one. A whale has it. You should get it on your boat. Number 5. The 5th reason that you should have a hydrofoil on your outboard engine is that it increases power. Less drag, so literally that translates to more power. So it's like almost like in a car, technically with a boat too. The less drag you have, technically the more power you have. Simple as that. So you want to get that boat up, you got more power. You also get better fuel consumption because there's less drag. You get drag from the hydrofoil itself, but it actually gets much more of your boat out of the water, and this enables less drag altogether. it picks that boat right out of the water just a couple inches, and the surface area there is much more than the hydrofoil that's designed, remember, like a whale's tail, to perfectly rip. So, you know, if you mix two-stroke oil, if you do anything like that, pick up this mixing bottle. I'll put it right there behind me. Check out the links down below. Got some awesome links down there. And you click on one of those links, you can help support our channel somehow, and you can buy anything from those links. You even browse. I don't even know. It's not much, but it's something gets our channel going. I'm gonna try and make as many videos as possible. We're going out this weekend. We have multiple trips planned in the next week. So we have multiple videos on the way. Unreal videos are coming up. So like some of the stuff we have planned, we're going to Mini Wonka again. Mini Wonka is going to be unreal. And what else? Just some awesome stuff. So how's everyone doing? Let me know in the comments. How are you doing? Have you been out boating enough? Do you go boating? Are you feeling good? I hope you're feeling good. Best wishes to everyone. You should get a hydrofoil. Number one reason, because it's shaped like a whale's tail. Haters gonna hate. Everybody should have a hydrofoil. If you don't have a hydrofoil, you should get one, or speak to someone that does and have them just gently nudge you into making the smartest move of your life when it comes to bolt-on performance upgrades for your boat. Okay, well, make sure you subscribe right down there. We got some other unreal videos coming up next week. Great videos, like constantly. We're gonna constantly have awesome videos, new footage, some great stuff, lots of stuff planned. So subscribe down there, check out these links, and see you soon. And stay healthy, stay great, and let me know anything in the comments. Just comment on something. Write a freaking comment down there. Anything. We're gonna do some great stuff. We're gonna do some drone shots, new lakes. We are only striving to get 4K shots. I'm gonna try and get the best sound and the best video in every single video to come, and make it better and better every single video that I make. So hopefully you subscribe right down there, because every video that comes out, you are gonna be happy with.
Woo! Banshee boating, baby!
Check out one of these other fantastic videos. You won't be disappointed.